So first, you gotta go to the App Store, then search Music Mate. So you can see here the app. So let's click. So this is completely free. So since I already downloaded it, let's just go to the app directly. So this is how the app looks like. Uh, there's tons of music here. It's complete music, all from YouTube. So let's try to download and play offline. So let's try to search perfect. Then just click the download button. You can also download MP4 here or MP3, whatever you like. You can download music and videos. So let's try the music. Let's just wait for it to download. So I already had a lot of music here. It doesn't expire, so you don't have to worry. As long as the app is here, you can still enjoy the music that you downloaded. So let's try to turn off the Wi-Fi so that we can all see if it will work without it. Still converting.
I found a love.
So here, let's play it. And
For
also
me,
it's just 5 seconds.
darling.
So that's all, folks.